Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system and tap on advanced. As you can see here, we've got reset options, so simply tap on it. And on the second position, we've got reset app preferences. Let's click on it. And now your device is telling you that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data, and any permission restrictions. If you are ready, simply tap on Reset Apps. And that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.